Panoramic Components are designers and manufacturers of aluminium sliding windows and accessories for the automotive industry and have been in existence for almost 40 years. The company prides itself on quality leak-proof products and excellent after-sales service. As an FG Trading customer, Panoramic Components make use of a Macotech MasterShape 3.7 FR for fast, precise cutting of window glass in their factory on the East Rand. FG Trading is the exclusive Southern African distributor of Macotech cutting tables, which are designed and built in Italy. The MasterShape 3.7 FR is an automatic cutting table for float glass and provides high quality straight and shape cutting, offering an excellent quality to price ratio. The technologically advanced machine is fast, space-saving and compact, and features a fully automatic cycle for loading, squaring and cutting of glass. The cycle for loading glass sheets is completely automatic and does not require any manual intervention. The table is equipped with 4 loading forks, which automatically tilt the glass to a horizontal position and place it on the working plane, ready for the startup of electronic sheet squaring and the subsequent cutting cycle. Once glass positioning is complete, the loading forks automatically return to the rest position. The fixed working plane comprises of an airflow table constructed of humidity-resistant MD wood with 2 breakout bars, 1 transversal and 1 longitudinal. The airflow table has quick shut-off valves to speed up glass sheet positioning, and both the airflow and breakout bars are controlled via easy-to-operate double-foot pedal controls. The cutting head automatically locates the sheet of glass on the working plane and performs electronic sheet squaring to 0. The device also allows double zero squaring for the cutting of laminated glass. The MasterShape 3.7 FR is capable of cutting float glass up to 3.7 by 2.6 meters in size and between 3 and 19 millimeters thick. The cutting pressure is automatically controlled according to the selected glass thickness to ensure optimal cutting quality. With a high cutting speed of 220 meters per minute, the machine is able to complete hours worth of manual work within a few minutes. Once the glass has been cut, it is easy to break manually using either the breakout bars or a pair of glass breaking pliers. The control unit comprises a PC with LCD screen, keyboard and mouse, as well as a control panel for operation of the machine. The Windows-based software has an optimization program on board, and the user-friendly interface allows easy control and management of various functions, including plate optimization, manual editing and machine parameter setup and command management. The machine is equipped with an automatic template reader which is able to read, construct and save any shape that is positioned on the working plane. Multiple templates of any material or thickness can be loaded anywhere on the working plane for reading. The digitized software supplied has the ability to detect internal holes and notches in the template, as well as a special function that recognizes and reconstructs corners accurately. Apart from installation and commissioning of machines, FG Trading also provides a full technical service to our customers, including training, technical support and maintenance, ensuring that all of the machinery we supply operates efficiently for maximum productivity and peace of mind. FG Trading is dedicated to finding a solution for all your glass and glazing requirements, whether you're looking for products and machinery or a partner to assist you in design, product development, planning and implementation of new factory layouts.